name is Eddie, and I want you to know that I am in the OrganoGold frenzy. And when I say frenzy, I mean I'm one of those few people, me, myself, and Laura. Also, we have some other people that are involved. We decided to think outside the box because, see, we know that everyone likes coffee, and that's what OrganoGold is about. It's about a good tasting coffee for people that want to make a decent income. You have the best of both worlds. So if you want to think outside the box and you come to our website, you'll see that we have a 15-step plan where you can get involved in OrganoGold, find out everything that it's about, and you can get an income that will help you. It will help support you to go on a vacation. It will help support you if you want to do some things in life that you never had an opportunity to do, even if you want to help someone out. Remember, OrganoGold is a system and it's a good tasting coffee. And if you want to know more, follow us into the website, click on some of these links that we have in here, learn about OrganoGold, and if you choose to think outside the box, I mean you choose to have an income where you're not living from payday to payday, worried about when am I going to get paid, how am I going to pay this bill, how am I going to get an education for my kids or help somebody out that I like. I mean, listen to me. OrganoGold works. The coffee's good. Believe me, think outside the box. Try it today. Click on these links and know that you have a great chance for a great opportunity for a good future in this bad economy.